Here's what moved markets today. US equity markets advanced following political statements suggesting a pause in potential military action affecting Middle East energy infrastructure. Risk sentiment improved across traditional markets as near-term escalation concerns moderated. Bitcoin gained during the session, with the move occurring alongside Strategy's announcement of enhanced capital-raising frameworks and continued treasury operations. The company disclosed expanded financing structures to support its ongoing Bitcoin accumulation strategy. Asset manager BlackRock released research on blockchain-based tokenization of traditional assets, identifying the technology as a significant development area for capital markets infrastructure. The institutional perspective reflects growing focus on digitized securities and settlement systems. Federal Reserve policy expectations shifted, as market pricing now reflects higher probability of rate increases than cuts for the remainder of 2026. The reversal marks a significant change from earlier projections, driven by persistent inflation data and elevated energy costs. Australian pension fund Host Plus announced it is evaluating cryptocurrency investment options for members, according to reports. The consideration reflects growing institutional interest in digital asset exposure within retirement fund structures in the Asia-Pacific region. Mining company Bitmine disclosed purchases of approximately $137 million in Ethereum during the past week. The treasury expansion continues the company's pattern of digital asset accumulation through spot market purchases. Looking at this morning's price action as of 9:25 Central European Time, gains are concentrated in select protocols. Filecoin up 8.36%, Dogwifwat adding 8.31%, and Eigenlayer gaining 6.82%, mid to high single-digit strength across storage infrastructure, meme tokens, and restaking protocols. On the downside, losses are minimal. Berachain down 1.42%, Ethena off 1.02%, and CC declining 0.92%. Modest selling pressure with losses contained below 2%, representing a significant improvement from recent sessions where downside dominated. The pattern shows a notable shift in market structure, with meaningful upside emerging for the first time in days while downside pressure remains subdued. Conditions suggest improving risk appetite after the prolonged period of defensive positioning, though breadth remains selective rather than broad-based. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index rebounds to 35, recovering 9 points from yesterday's 26 reading. The sharp improvement reflects today's improved market structure, where meaningful gains emerged across select protocols, while downside pressure remained minimal for the first time in recent sessions. Sentiment has reversed a portion of the recent decline from neutral levels, climbing back toward the mid-30s after falling from 44 to 26 over the past week. The recovery coincides with the shift in risk appetite we're observing in price action, though conditions remain firmly in fear territory. The move to 35 suggests sentiment is stabilizing rather than continuing to deteriorate, though market psychology has yet to reclaim the neutral levels briefly achieved earlier this month. Fear remains the dominant emotion despite today's improvement from the recent low. That's your Bitcoin Suisse daily market update for today. If you found this valuable, like and subscribe for your daily briefing from the natives.